हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू लॉकडाउन लर्नर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है हाउ टू कैलकुलेट अ क्यूब ऑफ अ नंबर फास्टर। क्योंकि हमारे काफ़ी सारे एप्टीट्यूड एंड ऑल में वी हैव टू चेक वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द क्यूब ऑफ अ नंबर एंड देयर इज़ अ बिग नंबर लाइक 34, 78. So how to do the cube of this number? So this video will be helping you in this case, like how can you do cube of this long numbers. Okay guys, let us start with a video. We are taking a first example. Suppose we are having a number is 12. Let us take example of 12, our first number. Okay guys, let us take example 12. We have to find out cube of 12. What we will do first is we will take as a and b always. Like a value is 1 and a b value is 2. Okay guys, a value is 1 and b value is 2. Then you have to do is ratio is a upon b, and that is 1 is to 2. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to find out the cube of a. We have a 3 steps: a cube, a square b, a b square, and b cube. Okay guys, and you have to do is you can do is, what is a cube? A cube is 1 cube. And what is a square b? A square b is 1 square into 2. It's 1 square into 2. And what is b cube? B cube is 2 cube. What we get here is 1, we get here is 2, we get here is 4, and we get here is 2 cube we are having is 8. So the number we got is 1, 2, 4, and 8. And now suppose you can't take out a square b very faster, like a square b, if it's a big number. So what you can do is you can just do first term multiply by a upon b. And what is the first term? It's 1 into, no, first is b upon a. Okay, first term is a 1, a, and 2, it is 2. And if you can't able to find out a b square, so what you have to do is second term multiplied by a upon b. No, for both you have to take is b upon a. Sorry, for both you have to take is b upon a. Second term is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So this will help you finding easily a square b and b square a. Okay guys, now after doing this thing, we have done step 1 is done. We have to do is step 2. In step 2, what you have to do is, now you have a 4 term, 1, 2, 4, and 8. You have to basically multiply second and third term with, you have to multiply second and third term by 2. So 2 2s we are having is 4, and 4 2s we are having is 8. Now what you have to do is you have to write 48 at here, and you have to add it. Okay, 8 1 2 7 1 7 2 8. And you know what is the cube of 12 is? 12 cube is 1 7 2 8. Okay guys, now let us take another example for it. It will be more easy for you. Now let us take an example is like 23. 23. In this we are having a equals to 2 and we are having b equals to 3, and b upon a we are having is 3 upon 2. You have to do same. Step 1, a cube, ab square we are having, a square b we are having, a b square and b cube. Our a cube is 8 and our a square like 4 into 3 is 12, and our b square is 9 to the 18, and we are having is 27. Now step 1 is done. Now step 2, write 8, 12, 18 and 27. Okay, I'm writing like step 2 at here. Step 2 we are having is like 8, 12, 18 and 27. Okay, now in step 2 you have to do is like take the second and third term and multiply it by 2. So what we get is 24 and here we get is 36. Okay guys, now what you have to do is you have to write 24 here and 36 here. Now remember one thing, you have to take only last digit for leaving the first element. For rest all element you have to take last digit. That means like 7 and it is having carry 2. When we are having carry 2 at here, so what is the like output? Like 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 16, 6, 1 there. So how much carry it is having? It is having 5. Only write the last digit and carry it here. Then 5, then 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11, 1. Then how much carry? Like 4, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 is 4. When 4 comes here, like you have to write full digit at here. It's like 12. Now I will explain you properly. Like what you have to do is, first you have to take is like, suppose you are having a unit digit 27. You have to take 27 equals to like 7 and you have to write carry 2. Okay, now you are having like 18, so you have to do is like 18 plus 36 plus 2 carry. Now what is the output we are having here is, we are having here is like 6 with carry 5. Okay, then you have to do is like 12 plus 24 plus 5. What is the total of this number? 12 plus 24 is like 36, 36 plus 5 is 41. You're having 1 and 4 carry. Okay guys, now what you have to do is 8 plus 4, you have to write now full digit 12. So the cube of like 23 cube we are having is 12, 1, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Okay guys, अब आपको now you are like little able to do that thing. For this thing you have to take only like this, you have to carry, like you can see this again, this part, like how I make a carry, and for last digit you have to write whole digit. For rest you have to make like first digit as a carry and like other digit as a like 7 or 8. Now let us take another example, and suppose we are having is, now take a big number. Let us take like 70, 72 or like this kind of thing. 74, let us take 74. I will show you how to do for 74, then you will be able to do. In case of 74, our A is 7 and our B is 4. and what is b upon a is 4 upon 7. Okay, we have a step 1. It's like a cube, a square b, a b square, and b cube. Our a cube is 7 cube. What we are having a 7 cube as 343. Now you have a difficulty to find out a square b. So what you will do is first term multiplied by b by a. What we are having a first term like 7 multiplied by 4 by 7. It's like first term is like a cube. We have to take, it's like this is the first term. Okay, so what we are having a cube is 343, and like same you can do like directly also in the same example. It is like 49 into 4, and we are having here is 196, and for b cube it's like 7 into 16, and 7 16s are it's like 112, and like b cube we are having 4 like 64. Okay guys, and now we are moving on to step 2. Okay, we are having, I'm writing here like 343, 196, 1112 and 64. Now step 2 is you have to do it like second and third term twice, 196 into 2 and 112 into 2, and our 196 into 2 is like 392, and our like 112 into 2 is like 224. Okay guys, now what you have to do is like, let us take here only like 112 is 224 and it's like 392. You have to like 64 is like 4 and 6 carry. Okay, you can directly like 4 here, and for that you have to do is like 112 plus 224 plus 4. Now what is the output of this? Like 112 plus 4 or 6, sorry, 6 is the carry here. So what is the output for this? This is the output. It's like this addition. What's the addition? Like first 112 plus 224, it's like 342 is addition, like something 342. So you have to write like 2 only here, last digit, and rest all is carry. 34 carry. Now what you have to do is like 196 plus 392 plus 34, that the carry one is 34. Now the output is around like 622, so 2 right here and 62 is like carry. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to write like final result at here 343 plus 64, and it's like around like 405. It's around 405. Now you're like, you have to write is like 74 cube. It is like go backwards like 405224. What's the cube of 74 is 405224. Now you are able to do cube faster. Okay guys, thank you.